Hello, so today we're going to talk about basically the grand scheme of how to make money. How to have the vision and the money-making mastermind machine brain, right? That was a nice word, but we're going to go with it. So how do you have the money-making mind? How do you attract money basically from everywhere and from every opportunity? Basically, you need to stop being afraid and start seeing opportunities. This means you need to get data. And for this, the first step is you need to start taking action. You need to start taking massive action. Just try out different businesses, invest money, make partnerships, do joint ventures with people. All of this. Take massive action and focus on getting money. Even if at first you don't have any clue on how to do it, just get out there and get data. What you do then, the second step is with the data you've got, with the experience you got. You've maybe made some money, you've maybe didn't, but now you can improve on it. Now you need to, now you have gotten feedback from the real world, and now you need to see, okay, what did the real world say? Did it say my product sucks, my venture sucks, or did it say it's okay and it needs to improve here and here? If you get some person to say it needs to improve here and here, just go ahead and improve it there and there, right? Does it make sense? It's pretty, like, my mind is pretty easy. I'm a pretty stupid person, but I make money, so that's how it works for everybody. You could be with no education, no technical background, and I could help you make money, because basically that's what I do. Then when you optimize it and make money with the scheme, then the next thing you need to do is start outsourcing and start hiring people. Just go to your town. If it's a cheap country, go to your town and hire people. If it's not a cheap country, go to the internet and hire people. And that's your two options. What else can you do? You can try to automate the business. Educate your people, educate yourself. Like, great people from who you can educate are Timothy Mark, Frank Kern, Tyler, who does business stuff currently, Alexander Becker and Alejandro Cas. We're going to blend them in here. Just go to those people and educate yourself, and follow our stuff, because we're going to teach you how to make a lot of cash as well. We're pretty young, like I'm 21 years old, and I'm starting to get my business ahead. Now I have like 6 people who work for me, and see how I hired people with the first money I hired people to work for me so I can make more money. You always need to think higher, and you need to face your fears. So face your fears, make money.